Jinwei Group's mission is to provide supply chain solutions to the world's good design, good products. Founded in 1989 in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and China, Jinwei Group owns Jinwei Plastic, Dayin Plastic, Jiaxu Electronics, Jinwei International, Weisheng Technology, and other holdings. Jinwei has an exclusive international production base in China, covering 50,000 square meters, with over 800 employees, providing EMS, ODM, OEM services. With 30 years of experience, 70 RD engineers, and 24-hour reply, we are committed to product research and development, manufacturing processes, software application development, international sales, and private brands. We have a wealth of experience in plastic molding, injection, post-processing, electronic assembly, and other related product development processes. We also have a global market strategy, with products such as home appliances, robot vacuums, household items, electronic dartboards, and home fragrance brands. We offer design for excellence OEM manufacturing services to consumer brands, helping our partners increase productivity and achieve success. Our partners include companies listed on the Fortune Global 500. If you are having trouble with your suppliers, we would love to help. Let's talk.